wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. If you're not, hey girl. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is going to be on this wig that I have in now and this hairstyle. So I record YouTube and I record TikToks at the same time on my phone, so sometimes it's going to be a little choppy as far as the hairstyle portion, because I'm trying to film everything at once. So just bear with me until I get a camera and all that, but we're gonna make something shake with what we got right now. So this is a hairstyle. I was inspired by Latoya Chung Smith, I think that's her name, on TikTok. She also has an Instagram and a YouTube, and I just think this hairstyle is so cute. I don't know if she's the one who actually created the hairstyle, but I know I always see her with it and doing it on TikTok, and it's super, super cute, and I wanted to try something different, and I love it. This wig is from a company called BLY, I believe. All the information will be in the description box with the specifics, but I do know that this is a 20-inch 13x4 frontal wig, and it's 250% density. Yes, she is thick, but it's not too full. This is the first time I've ever had a 250% density wig, and I definitely think it's really, really nice. I have not curled it to see the full potential that it possibly could have, but just being washed and how it came straight out of the box, it is very full. The hairline was very, very full when I actually took it out of the box. I don't know if I recorded that portion. If I didn't, definitely check out my TikTok, because I do have a video on plucking it, and I'll get into all the specs and everything that I think about the hair and my actual review portion as we go along the install. I'm going to be doing voiceovers for the reviews, like moving forward with my installs, because I just feel like it moves the video along, one, and the video is not like super long, but two, I feel like I can really get in depth about what I'm talking about. So this hair is a 20-inch unit, 250% density. The hairline came full. I did go in and pluck it. I plucked it, bleached the knots, and I also tinted the lace when I did my install. I was a little surprised because this lace was really, really white, so I wasn't expecting it to melt that well. And it's not HD, it's just transparent lace, but it actually melted really good. It looks so natural. The end result was bomb considering how the lace looks right now. The texture of the hair was very soft. I did experience some tangling with this unit. Not a whole lot of shedding, very, very little, but tangling, there was some of that. It wasn't extreme or anything like that, but it's just more than I would prefer. I really didn't have any other troubles with this install. I love how there is clips on the inside of the unit. If you don't know, I do like to use my clips because I'm doing a frontal. I didn't lay the clips down because I have the ball cap method and everything, but the one in the back, I do use it. Had elastic bands on the inside. Well, not elastic bands, but the adjustable straps on the inside, and it made it a little bit more secure. This wig is super big head friendly. I don't have a super huge head. I have an average size head, and there was still space left in the unit. So if you have a big head, this is big head friendly. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Shipping was fast. This hair is from Amazon. It's an Amazon company. So I got the wig in like a couple days. I have Prime. So yeah, if you don't have Prime, it could take longer, but shipping was pretty good. The quality of the hair is pretty good, and after you install it and everything, it turns out nice. However, if you don't know how to put in some work, you know, the wigs be needing a little shaping, honey. If you don't know how to shape a wig, then this one is not for you, because you're gonna have to put in a lot of work to get this to look natural, but the potential is there. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into the install so y'all can see without me interrupting and talking. But if y'all have any questions, make sure to leave me a comment in the comment section. I also forgot to mention when I was talking about the hairline, when I did pluck this hairline, the hairs came out really, really easy. I was expecting them to come out hard, like I was gonna have to pluck for a long time, but I didn't. So definitely keep that in mind if you do purchase this unit. The hairs in the front come out very, very easy, so it can be easy to bald the frontal as well that way, or to over pluck, so just be very careful.
Baby, when we gon' slide, hey, up all night when we gon' slide, up all night when we gon' slide.
I say, all just happened, pass my way. What can I do to make you stay? I know it's getting late, but girl, I don't want you to leave. You tell me you're just not the type. You wanna do this right. I'm not trying to say I don't believe you, but I refuse to feel ashamed. And if you feel the same, just wait and really make us better people. Take those fucking heels off, it's worth it, girl. Nothing is what I can picture you in. So take that fucking dress off, I swear you won't forget me. I'll be happy that you let me lay you down, down, down. I'm trying to lay you down, down, down. You're still the baddest girl around, round, round. They notice, let me lay you down, down, down. Tryna lay you down, down, down. You're still the baddest girl around, round, round. If they notice you were just the way I'm feeling, things I say, all just happen, pass my way. What can I do to make you stay? I know it's getting late, but girl, I don't want you to leave. You tell me you're just not the type. You wanna do this right. I'm not trying to say I don't believe you, but I refuse to feel ashamed. And if you feel the same, just wait and really make us better people. Take those fucking heels off, it's worth it, girl. Nothing is what I can picture you in. So take that fucking dress off, I swear you won't forget me. I'll be happy that you let me lay you down, down, down. I'm tryna lay you down, down, down. You're still the baddest girl around, round, round. They notice, let me lay you down, down, down. Tryna lay you down, down, down. You're still the baddest girl around, round, round. If they notice. things I say all just happen. Pass my way. What can I do to make you stay? I know it's getting late, but girl, I don't want you to leave. You tell me you're just not the type. You wanna do this right. I'm not trying to say I don't believe you, but I refuse to feel ashamed. And if you feel the same, just wait and really make us better people. Take those fucking heels off, it's worth it, girl.
I just want to say sorry, you guys, if I'm looking over a lot. I'm looking in my mirror. I'm in my bathroom today, and I'm just looking over here directly in my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. My normal setup, on my normal setup, I have a mirror directly behind the ring light and my camera, so I can see. I've been trying not to look directly at my camera when I'm doing my hair because I don't get as good of a visual as when I'm looking in a mirror, so forgive me for that.
Tryna lay you down. You're still the baddest girl around. If they notice you and your the way I'm feeling, things I say all just happen. Pass my way. What can I do to make you stay? I know it's getting late, but girl, I don't want you to leave. You tell me you're just not the type. You wanna do this right. I'm not trying to say I don't believe you, but I refuse to feel ashamed. And if you feel the same, just wait and really make us better people. Take those fucking heels off, it's worth it, girl. Nothing is what I can picture you in. So take that fucking dress off, I swear you won't forget me. I'll be happy that you let me lay you down. Tryna lay you down. You still the baddest girl around. They notice, let me lay you down. Tryna lay you down. You still the baddest girl around. If they notice you
The spray, I'm sure this would be like super melted if it was with glue, but with the spray, I feel like that's pretty good. Like, I need to clean up some of this spray, but okay. I like it.
shut 'em down, Onyx. No, you're not imagining they're looking at you long stares. Even though she's standing out, she look like she belongs here.
So because I'm doing a style, y'all gonna see what style I do. I didn't really show you guys how I did my last style in the video, because I was, like I said, I was recording a TikTok and a YouTube video at the same time. I'm still doing that, but I'm gonna try to find a way to finesse it. This is so hard. I guess like the people who do it have cameras, and your girl don't got a camera yet, but I'm going to be filming a hairstyle, but it shouldn't be a whole lot. So I'm gonna be doing my baby hairs a little bit out of order than I usually do. I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs now. I'm gonna do them off camera. You guys see how I do my baby hairs, and then I'll be back to finish the rest of the style. Okay, so I put these little curls in. I'm really trying to style my units in hairstyles now, so when I wear them, it's not just a regular, middle part, side part, that they're actually cute little hairstyle. If y'all did not know, I literally cannot multitask to save my life. So if I stop talking for a second, that's why, because I'm probably focusing on whatever I'm doing. But yeah, it's a cute little half up, half down with the little curls, and I'm gonna do a low pony.
I gotta take it slow. You got me so high up, but then away we go, racing to the sky. I'm feeling unbeatable, 'cause the vapors can save us.
All right, y'all, this is the end style. It came out so cute. And to correct myself from earlier, her name is Latoya Chung Smith. Latoya Chung Smith, yes. And this hairstyle is so freaking cute. I actually love it. I cannot believe that this wig melted this good with just lace spray. I usually don't like using lace spray because I feel like it doesn't look as melted as glue, but this came out so good. I feel like I'm getting better at baby hairs. I'm getting better at plucking. Everything has just coming it's coming together over time, and I'm really proud of myself. But yeah, this is how it looks. I'm only 5'1". This is a 20-inch wig, and it stops right at the lower part of my back. So it's a pretty good length. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button for me. Also hit that thumbs up button for me. Let me know that you guys like this content. And go follow my social media. Go follow my TikTok and my Instagram. This video is going to be up on Saturday when you're watching it. So just know that the wig sale is going to be tomorrow, Sunday, the day after Christmas. So I will be dropping this video on Christmas just to keep myself on schedule. But yeah, the wig sale will be tomorrow. Make sure you follow my Instagram so you can see everything. I will be posting them to my story. First come, first serve, must be Cash App ready. But that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.